Have you ever wondered how you can create these trendy images with your name? In this video, I'm going to show you how. It's very easy to do, and without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to go to Bcom and just load up the site. And once you're there, click on the hamburger menu and click on desktop site. This is going to convert the smartphone mode into desktop mode. And the next thing you need to do is to click on images. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on create. Yours may not open like this because probably you've not opened an account with Microsoft, because this works with Microsoft account. You just create an account, then your page will look like mine like this. Right on the search bar there, we are going to paste in our prompts. I'm going to provide this in the description below so that you can easily work with it. But if it's not what you want, you can actually just modify it to make sure it fits into the name that you want to work with. Like the name here is Gravid, you can change it to yours. Then once you're done, just click on create. This is going to generate the names in 3D. And this is what we have here. The name G with some splash according to the prompt. Okay, let's try our second prompt. It's still in the description below, and as always, you can modify it to suit what you want. Then once you're done pasting it, just click on create. And now we have this name here as we have prompted it in our prompt. So just click on any one of your design that you like and just scroll to where you see download. This is going to download it into your gallery. You can use the arrow here to scroll in between your design to see each of them. So that's it. That brings us to the end of the video. I hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And today is day 39 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.